goal to create a quality area for downtown Birmingham. My name is Michael Samsel, the owner of Superiorscape and Steel City Metal. We're getting ready to do our 30th year of being in business. We recently acquired Steel City Metal as our sister company, which is a residential, commercial, miscellaneous steel fabrication company. The project that we're working on downtown as part of the walking trail system through Birmingham, Superiorscape is the prime contractor, and our sister company, Steel City Metal, is a sub to us building and constructing the statue that's going to be a part of the plaza.
My name is DeeDee Morrison. This project is called Inception, and it's a story about the history of the rail being brought into Birmingham.
All of the railroad steel involved in the project came from the site.
The rail was hand cut, and you can see that when you have creative industrial artists, what they can create using their imagination and their resources and just out of a small shop. The sculpture weighs 15,000 pounds. It stands 26 feet tall, and it's based on a water droplet. And we spent the morning cutting it off, the foundation, so that we could pick it up with the crane and carry it to its base, at which point it'll then be about 29 feet tall, 28 feet tall. So you can see in the skyline, it's this beautiful view.
The team at Superiorscape, Christopher, Rodolfo, Dylan, and Tyler, have been instrumental in getting us this far. Steel City Metal has been challenged from the beginning to the end, and Steve and Ben and Steven have done a wonderful job getting us this far. And I'm just grateful for the Rotary Club and the opportunity that they've given us. And I look forward to more projects like this across the state of Alabama.
I'm Steve Clark, Vice President of Steel City Metal. On behalf of the Birmingham Sunrise Rotary Club, Superiorscape and Steel City Metal present Inception.